1 bag of Red Reishi. 1. Look at this tent. If reishi isn't your main mushroom, don't grow even one. Trust Uncle Ven. Reishi spores. On the walls. On the floor. On my soul. This is why we can't have nice tents. Clean. For about 12 minutes. Meanwhile, the lion's mane. Look at these beauties. Calm. Fluffy, not throwing spores on my ceiling. Grain and millet, going for a swim. You can skip the millet, I don't. Millet gives the mycelium something tiny to grab onto. Faster colonization. 24-hour soak, squeeze 1 grain. Soft and moist, it's ready. 2 bowls, enough spawn for 12 jars. 1 liter each. Uncle Ven runs a small empire now. Dried this reishi for 24 hours at 40 degrees Celsius. 40, no higher. 0 chance of burning it. Now into the jar. 24 hours from now, if there's no condensation inside, I dried it properly. Reishi jar goes into the tent, far away from anything I love. And while we're here, let me show you the stash. This is the lion's mane grain spawn. Fully colonized, white, fluffy, ready to inoculate bags. And this is the lion's mane liquid mycelium. Cleaner inoculations, faster starts, less contamination. 2 completely different tools, both essential. One I made by accident, the other I made on purpose. Don't ask which is which. This is what the back end of a working mushroom operation actually looks like. No shop, no kit, just jars, bags, and patience. Quick experiment. Some growers open the bag top completely. Others just cut a slit. I've seen both. I've trusted both. So today, I'm running them side by side. Science, sort of. Need more shelves. Bags are multiplying faster than I can build. 2 shelves done. Room for 2 more. But for now, this'll hold the empire. Future Ven's problem. This little green funnel came free with Brunhilde, and it's saving me so much cleaning. No grain on the counter, no grain on the floor, no grain in my socks. Best free accessory I've ever owned. Always use carton or risk problems. And Uncle Ven is already hungry. Siegfried, loaded. Brunhilde, loaded. Pray for them. Environment, good. Lion's mane, looking gorgeous. But why is one of them a little pink? Lion's mane is supposed to be white. This is fine. Next day, growing fast. Not oyster fast. Nothing is oyster fast. But for lion's mane, this is the pace I want. 20-liter humidifier. Backup if Mistra dies. Subscribe. Full farm cost video coming. Another day, another batch. Brunhilde doesn't sleep. Neither do I. Not carrying these 1 by 1.